In this video, we're going to show you to install the coolant reservoir in your Honda Ridgeline located on the passenger side of the engine compartment. Now the reservoir itself is held in place by a metal retaining bracket that just kind of pops into this little notch right here. To gain access to that, you're going to go down right on the other side, inside here. You're going to try using a flathead screwdriver. Simply go down into the back. If you reach down the back, you can feel the metal bracket. And all you have to do is get between the bracket and the tank and gently pry that away. Sometimes you can just use your hand down there to try and pry that out. There it is. Lift that up and out. Now on the top here, you have your hose. You can try and slide that off. I'm going to slide the reservoir hose onto this. And just take your little molded piece there and slide it back down into the bracket. Now at this point, if you want, you can go ahead and unscrew that cap, pull the hose out, and you can either transfer over your other fluid or just add some new stuff. Put that cap on. You want to make sure that you fill up your coolant level to the max line if it's nice and cool. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.